What if I told you that the difference between having a 3-hour trade and a 22-hour trade is often just the entry? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what led me to this beautiful GBPJPY trade right here, where I'm forecasting about 22-hour on this particular setup right here. All right, so let's get it right now. Okay, so what can you note from here? What we can actually see from here is that we've seen the market actually giving you more like an uptrend right here. You can see the market giving you higher highs and higher lows, right? And then all of a sudden you have the market actually breaking structures to the downside. So it means that this trend is done and the market is now breaking structures to the downside, showing that the market may potentially continue to go to the lower time frame and to the downside, right? So what do you have here? We have a nice rally based drop supply zone with a QML, which is extremely important. Apart from that, we had liquidity, which was left behind right here. Nice equal highs right here. So we've got this high, and this high right here, and you can exactly know what's going to happen once the market comes here, right? So we're anticipating that once the market comes here, we'll take these people out right here, and then potentially they come to our zone, then would actually enter from that particular trade right there. Beautiful setup right here. If you can come to the 3-minute time frame, you'll be able to actually appreciate the order block that enabled me to actually get to this zone right here. Let me just zoom in right there so that you can appreciate that order block. You can see I got the last candle right here, that there, and then just took this to the right side, and now it's just the issue of waiting to see what's going to happen when the market comes here. Of course, like always, we're going to anticipate the Asian session to be formed around this area right here, around this level right here. Once we have the Asian session somewhere here, then we anticipate this being taken out, especially the high of the Asian session being taken out. And if that happens, wait for the price to come into our zone here, then we'll be able to actually look for selling opportunities at this level right here. For my stop loss, I'm just going to put my stop loss just above here. It's about 10 pips, and my target, I'm targeting this low right here is what I'm targeting. This is a potential 1:22 risk reward ratio. If you ask me, this looks really amazing. Now if you can go to the 4-hour time frame, you would actually anticipate that the market is likely going to push to the downside as well. So after the market was in an uptrend, we saw the market actually dropping and breaking multiple structures to the downside, which is critical in this particular case. And also you can see that right here, we've seen the market drop with big momentum candles, and then now the market is pushing back. Okay, so another zone I'll be looking forward to, if this current zone I'm looking at right now that doesn't work, is this zone right here. So we have another zone here, which is looking really nice. You can see that it was formed by big momentum candle. So if this zone right here doesn't hold, then the next zone I'll be looking to sell from will be this zone right here. So for now, we don't know which zone is going to hold, whether it's this zone or that zone right here. Of course, this zone looks really nice, but remember, anything can happen at any particular time. So for now, our concentration will be at this level right here, also dependent on how the market will open in the few hours to come. So if the market opens beautifully and comes into our area, then we'll look for selling opportunities. However, if this market just goes all the way to the upside and invalidates this zone right here, then the next zone to look out for will be this zone right there, and it'll be nice if that happened. Otherwise, this looks amazing. This has already been shared in our mentorship community and also on our Facebook page. If you're not following our Facebook page, make sure you actually give us a follow. It's MnF Forex Traders 2.0, and yeah, this is how it is. It's looking amazing. And yeah, let me know what you think. What do you think is going to happen on this particular trade? Do you think we're going to actually go to the downside, or you think we're going to keep this trend to the upside? Comment in the comment section and let me know. All right, you guys, I hope you found value in this video, and if you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. Let's get it.